How to reset forgotten Roblox password. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to reset forgotten Roblox password. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Roblox app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the sign in button. And after that, you'll be prompted to the login screen. Now here, once you're inside the login screen, you can just tap on forget password or username, and after that you can simply type the email address or phone number linked to your Roblox account. And after that you can just tap on submit, and once you do that, Roblox will send you a password reset link or code. So there you can just open the message and then you can just tap on the reset link. And here, once you're done with it, you can now enter a new password and confirm it. And once you're done with it, you can just tap on submit. And once you do it, Roblox password will now be updated. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.